Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Process Monitor on your Windows computer step by step. Keeping Process Monitor updated gives you the latest features, performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility with newer versions of Windows. So let's get started. First, close Process Monitor if it's currently running. Since Process Monitor is a portable application, updating it is a little different from updating traditional software. You'll simply replace the old program files with the latest version. Next, open your web browser and visit the official Microsoft Sysinternals website. Download the latest version of Process Monitor to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and extract the zip file to a new folder. Now compare the version number if needed, then replace your existing Process Monitor files with the newly extracted ones. You can also keep the new version in a separate folder if you prefer, since Process Monitor doesn't require a traditional installation. After replacing the files, launch the updated Process Monitor executable. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the application to run with administrator privileges. You can verify the update by opening the Help or About menu and checking the version number. Finally, perform a quick capture of system activity to confirm that the updated version is working correctly and everything functions as expected. And that's it. You now know how to update Process Monitor and keep it running with the latest improvements from Microsoft Sysinternals. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.